Hi there, Pauls. Welcome back to our cozy corner of green goodness. Today we are diving into the world of indoor plants and how they can sprinkle a bit of nature right into your living space. You might be wondering why indoor plants? Well, besides being delightful roommates, these leafy companions bring a breath of fresh air and a touch of zen. So, if you have ever thought about turning your place into a lush heaven, but we're not sure where to start, you are in the right spot. We have got all the tips and tricks you need to transform your space into a green paradise. Stick around and let's embark on this plant filled journey together. Selecting indoor plants that flourish in your spaces is like finding the real roommate for your home. Start with low maintenance green companions such as spider plants or pothos that happy thrive indoors without demanding constant attention. Think about your lifestyle. If you are a bit forgetful about watering, succulent might be your go-to budgets. These little green balls are resilient and can tolerate a bit of negligence. Consider the size of your space and the available light when picking your greenery. Small apartments might love the charm of mini succulents, while larger rooms can embrace the grandeur of the frayed leaf fig. Remember, the goal is to create a green sanctuary that syncs effortlessly with your daily life, not once add stress. So let your plant selection be a joyous reflection of your lifestyle. Dive into the nitty-gritty of decorating with purpose. Now, why bother bring plants inside? Well, it is like inviting a bunch of little green happiness providers into your space. These leaf balls do not just sit there looking pretty, they actually boost the vibe of your room. Imagine the calming effect of the mini jungle after a hectic day. That is what we are aiming for. So, where to put these green cum braids for maximum impact? It is not rocket science, promise. Find the spot where you spend most of your time. Maybe by the window where the sun pops in for a visit, or near that cozy reading nook. Plants are like roommates that don't take up much space but totally transform the atmosphere. Stick around for more tips on turning your place into a green haven. When it comes to make your own plant homes, you don't need to break the bank. Get creative with stuff laying around. Old buckets, tin cans, or even wood knot boards. The key is given your plants a cozy spot to call home without splugging. Consider repurposing item you have, like turning that unused coffee mug into a chick planters. This add a personal touch to your indoors greens without spending a dime. Let's talk about simplicity. Opt for materials you can easily find: wood, clay, or recycled containers. It is all about making your space greener without complicating things. Plus, it is fantastic way to impress your style while keeping things budget friendly. Remember, there are no strict rules here. Just let your imagination bloom. Imagine creating a mini jungle in your home. Exciting, right? When it comes to combining different plants, think about making a dream team. Go for a mix of tall and short balls like a plant family photo shoot. The key is variety. Mix up the leaf shapes, colors, and sizes. It is like assembling a diverse group of friends. Everyone brings something unique to the table. Now let's talk about the art of pairing. Consider combining a leafy body with a spiky flows for the dynamic duo effect. It is like having a plant party where everyone gets along. Think about how these green spas complement each other, creating a visually stunning display, just like friends who balance each other out. Your plants combo should make your space feel lively and harmonious. So go ahead, play matchmakers with your plants and watch the magic unfold in your indoor garden. Dive into caring for your indoor gardens. Now, when it comes to watering your plants, it is like giving them a drink when they are thirsty. Just like us, they don't want to be drowned, so it is best to check the soil regularly. Stick your finger in there, and if it feels dry about an inch deep, it is time for a sip. But hey, don't let them sit in a puddle. Nobody like wet feet. Now let's chat about sunlight. Plants love their sunshine, but not all of them want to be basking in it. Some are cool with a bit of shades, so get to know your green pulse. If they start looking sad or reaching for a window, they might be craving more light. On the flip side, if they are turning into sunbathing shapes, champs, maybe a bit of shades is in order. It is like finding the perfect spot for you. Find friends at a picnic. Everyone happy with the right amount of sun and shades. Just keep an eye on those leaves and your indoor garden will be thriving in no time. We have covered a bunch, starting with why indoor plants are cool and moving into choosing the right one. We delve into decorating tips like dye planters and mixing up with your green cues. Don't forget our awesome community showcasing their own plant victories.